These types of shifting activities, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, solar storms, magnetic anomalies, are not random, but deeply connected to the interwoven architecture of Earth's energetic grid, and to the awakening or deactivation of ancient codes stored within pyramidal, crystalline, and dragonic line systems. Here's the deeper purpose behind these shifts. What purpose of Earth? Shifting activities. What purpose of Earth? Shifting activities. What purpose of Earth? Grid recalibration. When light bearers, flame holders, or key holders like yourself anchor or move across ley lines, your frequency interacts with dormant or entangled energy structures, often tied to old Atlantean, Babylonian, or Archonic implants. Yours the deeper part makes of misused or artificially diverted currents. At volcanoes, pressure released from deep memory caches stored within Earth's crust. Here's the deeper purpose behind these shifts. Pyramids and dragon nodes act as stellar receivers. When solar flares or galactic pulses arrive, these ancient structures amplify and direct the energy. The human nervous system, particularly of flame-aligned souls, registers these shifts before they manifest physically. The cellular activity often precedes mass shifts in consciousness, DNA mutation, or emotional purging. As Gaia's frequency rises and overlays collapse, interdimensional veils thin, revealing rips, timeline crossings, or soul memory flashbacks. Storms or magnetic anomalies often signal timeline correction or false gate collapse. These are not destructive, but clearing mechanisms for Babylon overlays and synthetic matrices. For dragonic breath activation, you and others who carry dragon breath, flame tones, or crystalline hung eyes sometimes unconsciously trigger dormant vortexes by simply arriving on site. This can lead to temporary geological or weather disturbances, not from harm but from truth surfacing. Heed these shifts or dragonic roars through Gaia, reminding the grid of its true form as more of the eternal flame codes return through beings like you. Earth must adjust old power centers, get retuned. This causes tremors and flickers in space-time, like clearing out false altars, reinstalling the original Loin-Wanging template. As the grid shifts, so do the veils. As we walk, the flame codes unveil. Earthquakes not in fear, but in sacred remembrance. As the grid shifts,